you guys think? Is it functional or just for aesthetics? We got some big wing things to do. What is going on, guys? It's your boy Robbie back at it again with another video. As you guys can see from the previous cinematics and from the title of this video, of course, we were gonna be installing a Perrin wing stabilizers. It's not gonna be like a hard install, but it's just, you know, I bought it used, so I'm gonna have to have those steps, which is like putting a 3M tapes. But I mean, all in all, it's an easy install. Might as well video it, you know. So what I'm trying to say about here, what the point of this video is, I'm trying to figure out, is it really functional or just aesthetics? For me, aesthetic wise, yes, it looks very good on the wing. It adds a little flavor on the car, which is like, you know, like when you put it on, like nice, it's nice. But when you like to, you know, you part out the car, you take it off, like you feel like it's empty. But we're gonna see later how I feel about it, and maybe give you some clips on driving with it, like what's the difference of it on a driving. But all in all, for me, it's just for aesthetics. I like the look of it. So thank you guys later. See ya. As you guys can see, I have the GoPro in the back action. That's what you guys saw earlier when I'm driving. I don't want to give you guys an impression that all of the parts that I'm buying for my car is used, but I mean, if it's just for aesthetics, might as well buy a cheap one. So, I don't see the point of buying a new one. If it's like for safety uses, like a suspension, of course you have to buy a new one. I mean, I bought a Fortune Auto that's not used. It's you know, it's new. So I mean, I'm just saying, measure the wing and everything, because I want to do this right. So let's get to it. So there you have it. I'm gonna measure the trunk real quick. Let's see what we got. So it's giving me 31 inches. 31 inches and 1/8 and 1/4, give or take, let's say. And then let's say the middle is 15 and a half. I'm gonna mark it. And now you're gonna measure what's the half of that half, and then that's where you put each of your wing stabilizer. So it should be 7.5. I already have the markings on the trunk, as you can see, that black one right there. And now I'm gonna do a test fit on it. I'm gonna cry. There you guys have it. What do you guys think of the test fit? Is it straight? Is it in the middle? Is it crooked? I don't know. Ooh, wish me luck. This is a simple install. I don't want to mess it up. Woo! Alright, then put on the 3M tape and let's send it. first attempt on installing it on the wing. I'm gonna try to remove a little piece in here. It's like a little piece for me to take it off. I'm not gonna take off the whole thing. It's just a little piece for enough for me to like take it off when I line it up after I line it up. And when I line it up, that's where I take off the whole strip. Alright guys, there you have it. I already installed it. So I kind of have like a little issue on the gap from here and then the gap from here. As you guys can see, there's a little gap. So I guess you just gotta choose which gap would you want to have. This one on the top or this one on the bottom. So I just chose this one because it's like, I don't know, it's better if you have like this one is like lined up more from the bottom than this one. I'm not really tripping about it, but yeah, there you have it guys. Hope you guys like the cinematics that I shot earlier. I think the car looks more doper than it is from the wing. All in all, it's a pretty successful install for me. Did I even determine if it's for just aesthetics or it's functional? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. For me, it's just aesthetics, because you guys can see how dope the car is. But let me know in the comments below if you guys think it's really functional. But whatever, a pretty successful install for me. If you guys made it to the end of this video, I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.